Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to calculate regression coefficient as well as regression line equations when assumed mean are given. Now there are two series which are given. The first series is the series of supply. The values of supply of some quantity is given as well as the value of price of those quantities are also given. Now let us assume that the supply is a variable which is termed as capital X, and also the price which is termed as capital Y, another variable. Now friends, we are here to see that we need to calculate the regression coefficient as well as regression equations. So startingly, even though the assumed mean are given, but still we have to find the means of those two values, those two variables. So for finding the mean, that is x bar, we have the formula summation of x divided by capital N, where summation of x is the total, the addition of these series, that is x. So here I am going to write down summation x is equal to, the total of all those observations. This comes out to be 695. Okay friends, so this is the total, that is 695. I'll write down here as 695 divided by capital N. Capital N means the total number of observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the total number of observations are 9. So this particular value comes out to be 77.22. This particular value of x bar, that means the mean of x is coming as 77.22. On the similar line, on the similar pattern, we are going to calculate the y bar, that means the mean of series capital Y. Now here again the formula is same, summation of y divided by capital N. So here we are going to calculate the summation or the addition of series of y. Here it comes up, I have already calculated it, it comes out to be 1145. So this is 1145 divided by capital N. Capital N will reveal same, that is number of observations are 9. So here the value comes out to be 127.22. This is the second value, that is value of y bar. Now friends, we are going to calculate next point is calculation of deviation, that is dx as well as dy. So dx means deviation from mean, that is x bar, deviation of x from mean, that is x bar. How it is calculated? This is calculated by the formula x minus x bar. So let us say this first item, the first observation is 70. So we will take here 70 minus x bar. What is the assumed mean? Assumed mean is 80. So 70 minus 80, this comes out to be minus 10. I'll write this as here minus 10. Similarly, 72 minus 80, this comes out to be minus 8. 76 minus 80, this comes out to be minus 4. 81 minus 80, this comes out to be 1. 73 minus 80, this comes out to be minus 7. 75 minus 80, this comes out to be minus 5. Here similarly minus 1. 86 minus 80, this comes out to be 6. And 83 minus 80, this comes out to be 3. On similar line, we need to calculate the value of deviation of y, that is dy. dy is y minus y bar. First value of y is 145. So this is 145 minus the assumed mean, that is 120. So the difference is 25. Next, 140 minus 120, this comes out to be 20. Similarly, 130 minus 120, this comes out to be 10. 124 minus 120, this comes out to be 4. This comes 133 minus 120, this comes out to be 13. 127 minus 120, this comes out to be 7. Next, 120 minus 120, this comes out to be 0. Next, 110 minus 120, this comes out to be minus 10. And finally 116 minus 120, this comes out to be minus 4. Now friends, we need to calculate here the summation of dx, the value of dx. Why? Because we have not taken the assumed mean, we have not taken the calculated mean, we have taken only the assumed mean. So here we need to calculate the summation, that means the addition of this particular column, that is dx. This comes out to be minus 25. Next, summation of dy, this columns, the total of the addition of these columns comes out to be 75. Now next thing is we need to calculate dx square, the square of the column number 3. So minus 10 square, that is 100. 8 minus 8 square, that is 64, minus 4 square, that is 16, 1 square, that is 1, minus 7 square, that is 49, minus 5 square, that is 25, minus 1 square, that is 1, 6 square, which is 36, and finally 3 square, which is 9. Similarly, we are going to calculate the value of dy square also, I mean the square of column number 4. So 25 square means 625, 20 square means 400, 10 square means 100, 4 square means 16, 13 square means 169, then 7 square, which is 49, 0, this is 0, 10 square, that is 100, 4 square, again this is 16. So we need to calculate, friends, the summation. We need to get the value of summation of dx square also. So the total of this particular column, that is summation of dx square, comes out to be 301. Similarly, dy square, the total of dy square comes out to be 1835. Finally, friends, we need to calculate the value of dx into dy. That means multiplication of the column number 3 as well as column number 4. That means minus 10 multiplied by 25, this comes out to be minus 250. Next, 8 into 2, that is minus 160. Next, 4 into 10, that is minus 40. Next, 4 into 1, that is 4. Next, minus 7 into 13, this is 91. Minus 7 into 13, that is minus 91. 7 multiplied by 5, that is minus 35. This is 0. This is 10 into 6, 60. This is 4 into 3, that is minus 12. So the summation of dx and dy comes out to be minus 714. So this is the value of summation of dx into dy. Now we are going to calculate number 1, regression coefficient of x on y. This which value is given by bxy. Friends, here since it is a non-zero score, since this particular dx as well as dy is a non-zero value, therefore we are going to use the shortcut method or the shortcut formula which is given by the formula n bxy is equal to n into summation of dx into dy minus summation of dx into summation of dy divided by this particular last value, that is n into summation of dy square minus into bracket summation of dy bracket square. So this comes out to be n, that is number of observations are 9. This is 9 multiplied by summation of dx dy, that is minus 714 minus summation of dx, that is minus 25 into 75. So this divided by the value, that is 9 multiplied by summation of dy square, which is 1835 minus summation of dy is 75 bracket square. Now there is a difference. Summation of dy square means this particular value, whereas summation of dy bracket square, it's summation of dy in bracket. So this is this particular value, that is 75. This needs to be overlooked. So the answer is 0.418, that is bxy. Similarly, number 2, we are going to find out the regression coefficient of y on x, that is byx. The formula is the same, that is the numerator is the same, dx into dy minus summation of dx into summation of dy using shortcut method divided by the last value, that is n into summation of dx square minus into bracket summation of dx bracket complete square. This is nothing but 9 multiplied by minus 714 minus of multiplied by minus 25. The numerator will remain same. only thing is the denominator is going to change, that is n 9 multiplied by summation of dx square, that is 301 minus into bracket summation of dx bracket square, that is minus 25. So, this is minus 25 bracket square. So, the value of byx comes out to be minus 2.184. Now, friends, third thing is we need to calculate regression equation of x on y, which is given by the formula x minus x bar is equal to bxy into bracket y minus y bar. Now, here the value of x bar, that is mean of x, and y bar, that is mean of y, we are going to take the calculated value. So, therefore, x minus what is x bar? X bar is 77.22 is equal to bxy, value of bxy is minus 0.418 into bracket y minus y bar. What is y bar? Y bar is 127.22. Therefore, this particular equation comes out to be x plus 0.418 y is equal to minus, sorry, this is plus, this is 130.39. This is your equation number 1, that is regression equation of x on y. Next, we will calculate the fourth value, that is regression equation of y on x. Now, this is given by the formula y. First is y minus y bar is equal to b of y x into bracket x minus x bar. So, therefore, this is y minus y bar, that is 127.22 is equal to byx, that is minus 2.18 into bracket x minus x bar. So, what is value of x bar? 77.22. Therefore, the final equation which comes is y plus 0.418 x into bracket is equal to 159.49. This is minus point, this is 2.18, this is 2.18, this is 2.18, y plus 2.18 x is equal to this. This is your final equation, that means the regression equation of y on x. Y plus 2.18 x, y plus 2.18 x is equal to 159.49. Friends, I hope you might have understand this problem. First, what we have done is we have calculated the value of means, then we have calculated the regression coefficient of x on y and regression coefficient of y on x, and finally we have calculated the values, that is regression equation of x and y and regression equation of y on x. I hope you might have understood this problem. Thank you for watching my video.